Fiverr.com. For many people, it's known as a place where amateur freelancers can offer their services for ridiculously low prices in the hope of scraping together a couple of $100 by the end of the month as a side hustle. But what if I told you that this is absolutely rubbish? And in fact, this platform alone has already made me near on $200,000 working less than 20 hours a week. And today, I'm going to show you how you can achieve the same thing, but with a slight twist, because I'm going to be showing you free services that you can start selling on Fiverr with the help of AI, meaning that you don't need to be an expert in these services, as artificial intelligence will do 90% of the job for you. Now, the first Fiverr gig I want to show you that you can start offering is website design. As you can see, the majority of these sellers are charging a base price upwards of $150. And if you take a look at this website designer right here, you'll see that he's absolutely killing it, with over 450 feedback so far and 9 orders in queue. And one quick tip worth noting, even though his feedback amount says 459, this doesn't mean that's how many orders his gig has actually gotten, because the vast amount of people won't bother leaving feedback. For example, if you take a look at my analytics, you'll see that only 65% of my clients have actually bothered to leave feedback. Therefore, we can assume that this guy's 459 feedback is only around 70% of his total. So his real amount of orders completed on this gig would be something around 600, I'd imagine. And as you can see, he's charging between $300 to $1,000 for website design, meaning from the 9 orders that he currently has in queue right now, he's probably earning well over $6,000 for those. And this is where Weblium.com comes in. You don't need any coding or design skills, as it utilizes AI and supplies you with over 300 different website templates to choose between, from restaurants to online stores and even blogging websites. They literally have you covered with every solution. All you really need to do is drag and drop different elements and then add some contents, which I'll be showing you later on how to do this with a great AI SEO tool that can provide you optimized content. Now, you've also got live demos of each template, and the monthly price is super cheap at just $8.25 a month. Difficulty level to get started with this kind of Fiverr gig, I'd give it a 3 out of 5. It's pretty simple and easy to get started. However, there is already quite a bit of competition on Fiverr, so my suggestion would be to niche down on your offer and don't just do what everybody else is doing and offer general website design. Coming up with unique and memorable business names for any new startup can be really difficult, and generally outsourcing this to someone else to do is something that most people are happy to pay for. And if we search for business names on Fiverr right now, we can see that the competition is super low with just a little over 3,000 services. And if we check out this seller, Sky Hale, she's charging anywhere between $85 to $300 to provide not just a few business name ideas, but also slogans as well. And with 6 orders in queue right now, I can imagine she's probably making upwards of $4,000 a month from this gig alone. So let me show you how we can use AI to do the same. Now, this website is called namelicks.com, and it will first ask you to enter some keywords about your business. So let's just put a pet store selling dog collars, for example. Hit generate. Now you've got to select your style. So for this example, I'm going to stick with auto and choose medium level of randomness. Then I'll just add a couple more details about my business and then hit generate. You'll then be served with hundreds of brand names, logo designs, and you'll also be able to check if the domain is available too. Then once you have your brand name, you can use ChatGPT to create a whole list of slogans ready to then package and deliver to the client within 15 minutes. Now, difficulty level for this type of gig is a 1 out of 5 because it really couldn't be any easier or less time Copywriting is one of the most popular niches to get started with right now for two good reasons. One is the earning potentials, and my friend Mike Nardi talks about that quite a bit over on his channel, so go check that out. And the second is how easy it is to get started, especially now when using AI. And right now on Fiverr, the competition is still fairly low with just under 9,000 services. And these sellers are charging from $100 and up. This guy, Jacob, for example, is charging $215 to write 150 words. And that's apparently taken him 21 days, which is a crazy amount of time. Yet, he currently has 8 orders in queue, and his most expensive package is $620 for 600 words. Now, you'd probably expect me to show you ChatGPT like everybody else does. But no, because I believe I found a better AI for copywriting. It's called cohesive.so, and the thing I love about it is that the prompts are already programmed in for whichever kind of content you'd want to produce. Just scroll through the list until you find your prompt. So let's go for TikTok captions. Tell the AI what your video is about, and then you can even add more options such as your target audience and the action you'd like them to take. Now, once you're ready, just hit go and let the AI work its magic. And as you can see, the output is actually pretty good. And this tool will now allow you to create multiple writing gigs on Fiverr, offering different content services. And talking about writing, I told you earlier, I'd show you a tool that will generate SEO optimized content. Well, here it is. It's called phrase.io, and you can use it for SEO research, and it claims to be the fastest and easiest way to get yourself ranking on Google. Now, difficulty level for copywriting on Fiverr, I'm going to go with a 2 out of 5. The competition is still fairly low, and with the amount of free AI tools, it's now easier than ever before to create optimized content for clients. So, right there is free, super easy to get started with Fiverr gigs that you can start offering right now. And there are actually plenty more options that I'd love to show you. So how about this? If this video gets at least 100 likes, I'll make a part 2 showcasing more Fiverr services that you can utilize AI to start selling. Otherwise, have an awesome day, and don't forget to go follow my print on demand journey, as I'm also going to be giving away $500 to one lucky viewer. See you next time.